children, welcome back to Ramakidz educational video. So children, today we are going to learn the phonics sound of alphabet Z. Yes, so this is the last alphabet Z. So we have learned all the sounds from starting A to alphabet Z. So the sound of alphabet Z is Z. Repeat after me, Z. Z for zip, Z, Z, zip. This is zip. Next is Z for zigzag, Z, Z, zigzag. You can see in the picture, this line is not straight. It is zigzag. Next is Z for zero, Z, Z, zero. This is zero. Zero is a number. 1, 0, 10. 0 is a number. Z for zebra, Z, Z, zebra. Zebra is a animal. It has white and black color lines on its body. The next word is Z for zoo, Z, Z, zoo. This is a zoo, and in zoo you can find lots of animals. So children, today we have learned the phonics sound of alphabet Z and many words related to alphabet Z. So what is the sound? It is Z. So children, I hope you enjoyed all the videos related to the phonics sound. So I'll be meeting you soon with some other videos soon. Bye-bye.